The 2026 Volkswagen Jetta continues to be a strong contender in the compact sedan segment, offering a combination of efficiency, comfort, and practical technology. What's new for 2026? For 2026, the Jetta introduces subtle updates across all trims. Standard rear seatbelt pretensioners enhance safety, while the SE trim now comes with a sunroof as standard. The top-tier SEL model receives an upgraded 8-speaker premium audio system, improving the in-car entertainment experience. The 2026 Jetta is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces 158 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent to the front wheels via an 8-speed automatic transmission. This combination delivers smooth acceleration, responsive handling, and an EPA-estimated 33 miles per gallon combined fuel economy, making it an efficient choice for daily commuting. Inside, the Jetta offers a comfortable cabin with seating for 5 and a 14-cubic-foot trunk for ample cargo space. The base model comes with a 6.5-inch touchscreen, while higher trims feature an 8-inch display. Standard technology includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a suite of driver assistance features, ensuring convenience and connectivity for every ride. All 2026 Jetta models are equipped with Volkswagen's comprehensive safety suite, which includes forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. These features work together to keep passengers safe and provide peace of mind on every drive. The 2026 Jetta starts at $25,270, with prices increasing for higher trims and additional options. For those seeking a reliable, efficient, and well-equipped compact sedan, the 2026 Volkswagen Jetta is a solid choice. With updated safety features, comfortable interiors, and strong fuel efficiency, it remains a practical option for both daily driving and weekend trips. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and hit the bell so you're always in the front seat. See you in the next ride.